In this video, we are going to talk about how Elon Musk made his fortune and current net worth. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Are you curious about Elon Musk's net worth? How did he amass his fortune? And how did he become one of the world's wealthiest men? Here's the lowdown on a few of the most often asked questions. What is Elon Musk's net worth? According to Forbes, Tesla co-founder and CEO Elon Musk is worth a whopping $150 billion USD. According to data from March 5, 2021, Elon currently ranks behind Jeff Bezos, $175.8 billion, and Bernard Arnault, $152.1 billion. His net worth continues to rise. That figure is difficult to comprehend. To put that in perspective, he would have paid $4.6 billion in 2020 under Elizabeth Warren's tax proposal, which includes an ultra-millionaire tax. According to Forbes, Elon's net worth dropped $9 billion in one day as a result of JPMorgan's warning to investors that Tesla stock was highly expensive. Elon's stated net worth has dropped to $135.8 billion as of December 9, 2020, putting him in third place on Forbes's list of the world's wealthiest persons. How did Elon Musk build his wealth? Elon Musk began amassing his fortune in the 1990s when he dropped out of Stanford after only 2 days to follow an entrepreneurial path and founded his first company, Zip2. The following is a chronology of Elon Musk's businesses. Zip2. Elon Musk co-founded Zip2, a Palo Alto, California-based startup, with his brother Kimball Musk and business instructor Greg Curry in 1995. For newspapers, it offered and licensed online city guide software. The company was made feasible thanks to angel investor funding and $6,000 from Curry. Compaq. Zip2 was purchased by Compaq Computer Corporation in 1999 for a reported $300 million. Compaq bought Zip2 to improve the AltaVista internet search engine's competitiveness versus Yahoo, Lycos, and Excite. The transaction netted Musk $22 million. PayPal, X.com, and Confinity. Elon established X.com in November 1999, one of the first FDIC-insured internet banks in the world. X.com and Confinity, one of its main competitors, combined in March of 2000. Confinity ultimately evolved into PayPal, a well-known online money transfer system. eBay purchased PayPal for $1.5 billion in October 2002. Elon made a $180 million profit. The snowball effect of X.com, Confinity, and PayPal laid the groundwork for Musk's most well-known and successful ventures. SpaceX to shoot Elon Musk's net worth into the stars. Elon Musk created Space Exploration Technologies Corp. In May of 2012. This family-owned business specializes in aircraft manufacturing. SpaceX's mission is to minimize the high costs of space travel. They also want to help forward the objective of allowing people to live and populate Mars in the future. Hawthorne, California is the home of SpaceX. SpaceX is known for its Falcon launch vehicles, Dragon capsules, Merlin, Raptor, and Kestrel rocket engines, and ASDS landing platforms, among other things. As of November 2017, SpaceX had grown from 160 employees in 2002 to over 7,000. Tesla. Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning launched Tesla Motors in July of 2003. During the early stages of fundraising, Elon Musk joined them as a co-founder. Tesla's mission is to deliver all-electric vehicles that were affordable, fast, and scalable. Tesla is adamant about achieving a zero-emissions future. Tesla paid $2.6 billion for SolarCity Corp. In August of 2016, Tesla employs over 30,000 people full-time. The Boring Company. Elon Musk launched the Boring Company in December 2016 to address the challenges of soul-destroying traffic. The Boring firm is a tunnel and infrastructure construction company specializing on low-cost tunnels, according to the company's FAQ page. The tunnels may substantially shorten transit times, allowing travelers to travel from New York City to Washington, D.C. in under 30 minutes. Los Angeles is currently constructing the first tunnels. What is Elon Musk's salary? Elon declines his $56,000 yearly minimum pay from Tesla every year, according to Business Insider. Tesla recently declared that it will pay Elon Musk nothing for the next 10 years, including no shares, salary, or incentives, until the company's market capitalization exceeds $100 billion. How does Elon Musk spend his money? Elon, clearly not a lover of costly holidays, preferring to spend his money on opulent real estate and rare sports vehicles. He also invests in his firms, SpaceX, Tesla, and the Boring Company, and reinvests in them. Home sweet homes, no more. I am selling practically all physical assets, Musk declared on May 1, 2020. I will not own a home. Elon has 7 properties on the market, according to Architectural Digest, with a total asking price of more than $100 million. 4 of his homes are located in Los Angeles, 1 in Hillsborough, and 2 in Bel Air. Why would he sell his whole portfolio of residential properties? On a recent podcast, Joe Rogan asked Elon a question, and this is what he answered. Would you rather have Mars or a house? Even if it was a fantastic mansion, allocating time to create it is not a smart use of time when compared to creating the rockets needed to carry us to Mars and help us address the problem of sustainable energy. Elon put some of his residences up for sale by owner on Zillow. Drive time. He has 2 antique gasoline cars, a Ford Model T given to him by a friend and a Jaguar Series 1 1967 E-Type Roadster. He formerly possessed a McLaren F1 that he crashed on a pleasure ride in 2000. He won a Lotus Esprit underwater auction in 2013 after bidding $920,000. It was the vehicle featured in a classic James Bond film. He primarily drives his Tesla Model S these days. About Elon Musk. Elon Musk, 47, is one of the world's richest individuals, among tech titans like Mark Cuban, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, and Mark Zuckerberg. Elon Musk, like many other well-known inventors like Steve Jobs, attained success by demanding only the best from his team and passionately pursuing his goal. Wearing many hats. Elon Musk is an entrepreneur, investor, and engineer in the technology industry. He is the CEO of both Tesla and SpaceX, a company that designs, manufactures, and launches advanced rockets and spacecraft. Tesla manufactures all-electric vehicles and scalable clean energy generation and storage products, while SpaceX designs, manufactures, and launches advanced rockets and spacecraft. Elon Musk was born in Pretoria, Transvaal, South Africa, on June 28, 1971, and is a citizen of South Africa, Canada, and the United States. He is the father of 5 sons, 1 set of twins and 1 set of triplets, and resides in Los Angeles, California. He has been married 3 times, first to Justine Musk, his children's mother, and twice to Tallulah Riley, whom he divorced. A tenacious visionary. He's built a reputation as a tenacious visionary who is relentless in his pursuit of breakthrough goods that break new ground and exceed customer expectations. He'll go to any length to achieve his goal and has sky-high aspirations. Elon has a habit of embarking on theatrical outbursts that his colleagues have dubbed anger-firing sprees, in which he wanders the manufacturing floor questioning, ridiculing, and dismissing team members on the spot, according to several anonymous employees' reports from within Tesla's gigafactories. Employees at all levels, including lower and upper management, agree that the atmosphere at Tesla is extremely tight and demanding. Everyone in Tesla is in an abusive relationship with Elon. A former executive said, "Depending on whom you ask, some workers have regarded him as crazy, while others have praised him for his original vision and the difficulties that have helped them grow. All work and no play." Elon Musk's contentious work ethic is another aspect that contributes to his wealth and success. Musk isn't one of those people who works a typical 40-hour workweek. He's a well-known workaholic who constantly chips away at difficulties until he comes up with a solution. He only took 15 days off in his whole 12-year career. He isn't interested in going on exotic holidays or exploring secondary interests. Instead, he devotes all of his waking hours and efforts to growing his business. During peak demand times in August 2018, Elon admits to working up to 120 hours per week and not leaving the Tesla Gigafactory for 3 or 4 days at a time during production sprints. Does all that work? He avoids getting trapped replying to emails, works in 5-minute sprints to improve efficiency, and avoids receiving personal phone calls during business hours to ensure optimum output. In fact, he eats his lunch in under 5 minutes. In Elon's universe, no time is wasted. The hard effort has paid off. SpaceX and Tesla are now worth billions of dollars. The new frontier. SpaceX is projected to soon be worth $25 billion. The startup is attempting to raise $507 in investment at the moment. After Uber and Airbnb, SpaceX would be the 3rd most valued venture-backed firm in the United States, according to PitchBook data. According to the New York Times, Tesla is worth an estimated $100 billion as of January 2020. Tesla's stock, on the other hand, has recently taken a beating as a result of Elon Musk's contentious media appearances. On the Joe Rogan Experience podcast, Elon was caught smoking pot. The video footage sparked outrage, and jokes flooded in. Even though recreational marijuana is legal in California, Elon Musk must follow federal rules since he is a government contractor with national security credentials. Tesla troubles. A tense conference call in May of 2018 was the second incident that caused Tesla shares to fall by 5.6%. Elon Musk met with Wall Street analysts to discuss Tesla's quarterly profits, and rather than grinning and bearing it through the questioning, he chose to verbally battle with the analysts, sniping at them and claiming that they were asking boring bonehead questions. Tesla was able to make a considerable profit in Q3 of 2018, despite recent media controversy and Model 3 manufacturing problems. It's what Elon referred to as a historic quarter. Do you think Elon will be able to keep his top position on the wealthiest people list? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you.